Right, I've had a few requests of a McDonald's inspired egg and sausage McMuffin. I will be honest, I have never had one in my life. So I had to do a little bit of research, but I found out a way to do it. First thing you need to do, 500 grams of strong bread flour into a bowl, zero it. I'm using my TARE Touchless TARE scales because I absolutely love them and they're brilliant. No messing about, just wave your hand and it zeros it. Brilliant. In with 10 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, and then you want 325 mils of tepid water. Not ice cold, not boiling hot, okay? And then use your hand in a claw motion and just mix, and mix and mix and mix until you end up with a ball of dough on your hand. Then transfer it onto a worktop and stretch it away from you and then bring it back. And then stretch and then bring it back. And just keep doing that for about 5 to 10 minutes and you will go from like a lumpy ball of dough to a lovely, stretchy, smooth dough, okay? When you get to that point, transfer it back into your mixing bowl, cover it with cling film, and leave it to proof for an hour or until it doubles in size. Okay, so my dough has doubled in size. Scoop it out, knock all the air out, and divide it into 12 equal portions. Then, take a baking tray, I'm using one of my MasterClass ones, and dust it with polenta or ground semolina. And the reason why we use this is it's not absorbent like flour is. So if you haven't got it, maybe put a sheet of parchment paper down and lightly oil it. But if you've got either ground polenta or semolina, happy days. Take your dough and then roll them into bread rolls, place them onto the baking tray with the semolina or polenta underneath and evenly spaced out. Give them time to expand. Let them prove for 30 minutes, okay? They will double in size. Once they have done, take a non-stick frying pan. I'm using my MasterClass cast aluminium one today. I've got the bigger one, so I've got lots of space to cook. Put it on a medium heat for 5 minutes, and then transfer your muffins 3 at a time into your dry frying pan. Now, when I say dry frying pan, that means no oil, no butter, it's just hot. We're gonna toast the muffins on each side, make them flat, and then finish them in the oven for 10 minutes, 180 degrees, really simple. So you've got a tray of beautiful muffins ready. What you need to do now is make your sausages and fry your eggs. Now, take your sausages, 2 sausages per person, cut them out their skins, shape them into like a burger or a patty, and then cook them in the frying pan for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Whip them out of the pan, wipe the pan clean, and then fry your eggs. Over easy, runny, sunny side up, whatever you like. I like them nice and runny. Then remove your fried eggs from the pan, cut your muffin open, in with your sausage, in with your fried egg, and then top it with the other half of your muffin, and there you have it. If you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you can find it there. And don't forget, if you do give this recipe a try, send us a picture, let us see how you get on.